Good morning, YouTubers, and good morning, rocket stove fans. Just another experiment, just for fun. This is actually the old concept of the um, oil burner. I did make a new one. The other one I did give away. This one is more stable because the burning chamber is fitted to the chimney. And I hope to have now longer burning times. I have a bigger pellet container and I have make legs under it, so he is a little bit high in the burning chamber, and hopefully I will have gasifying. So I like to have longer cooking times because baking an egg or something like that is okay, but making bigger meals and more complicated meals, you need longer time of burning. And the rocket stove, you have to feed the wood input with wood, and you have to work very hard to keep him hot for about half an hour. So now I'm experimenting with pellets, and when everything is okay, I will make this from another kind of steel, more stable, and I will fit it on it. This is about 18 centimeters in diameter. Sorry for my poor English. As always, I like to start up the fire. One hand video, you know. Here we go. There are little fire starters in it. And when he is starting up, I will starting up the clock. I like to know how long he is burning, when he is burning. This is a completely other concept as what I have normally. The fire starters are already burning. I think I can put up the chimney on. Is there still flames? No, no flames. A little bit longer, Bert. Where are the fire starters? Somebody took my fire starters. It's lovely weather to do this. The cows are in the other place over there on the horizon. Over there is mice. This is the food for the winter. Do we have flame? I think the pellets are burning now. I put the chimney on. There he goes. Very good. This is the fire after about 5 minutes. As you can see, I have a little bit gasifying. It's not hot enough for gasifying right now, but he is burning very slowly, and that is what I like to have. I don't like to have a quick fire, so that the wood is gone, or the pellets is gone after about 5 minutes or so. He is burning now already 7 minutes, and all well on board. See you. Well, you have to see this. This is beautiful. This is about after 8 or 10 minutes, 9 minutes exactly. I have a beautiful flame. The pellets are burning very slow. There's almost no wind now. I didn't place a windscreen because I like to experimenting in the most worst conditions. And here I have 500 cc of water in the kettle. Now you know why I did make the... Now he will go smoke. He's smoking now because of the kettle. Oh no, there is some glue on the side. It burns away. It will take a few minutes. You see, he's burning very well under the kettle. The flames are under the kettle. There's a little bit wind. This is touchable. The top is not touchable. The bottom is touchable. So I have a draft from here to the top. You see a little bit black smoke. That's from the kind of tape. You know what I mean. Oh, he's beautiful. Well, let's see if we can make a cup of tea. I did put the windshield around the heater because there was too many wind, and now I have my gasifying. Beautiful. So I put the kettle back for hot water. He is burning now about 15 minutes on the same load. As you can see, the water is boiling. So I have my cup of tea. Sorry, one hand video. And I still have a very good flame. And he's burning now. My cup of tea. Thank you. The water was boiling after about 20 minutes and he is burning now. It's now 50 minutes. 50 minutes is burning on the same load. Let's take the kettle away and look inside. Look inside. Sorry for my English. This is very hot. I have to be careful. He is still gasifying. Oh, this is beautiful, YouTubers. This is beautiful. Still burning. And there's a lot of pellets in the pellet container. So, I think he will burn longer as 1 hour. I put this back, but I don't put the water kettle back. In the future, I have to make a little space between the chimney and the grill because of the smoke, the combustion smoke. He is burning very, very good, very slow. I like that. I said that before in my other videos. I like to have a very slow fire. Oh, the sun is coming from the other side. Just a moment. Burning with no windshield, and then you see the gasifying is not so good. So with the windshield you have always your gasifying. And this is again with the windshield. You can see the difference very clearly. Still working very good. See you in a moment. 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's amazing. The pellets are almost gone, but I did another experiment with another can. You can put the can over this can, so then you have a kind of windshield. If you make the chimney a little bit lower, you can put a kettle on this windshield, so the cooker, the burner, what is it in English, is very compact. I stop now. It's more than enough. This is still so hot. You can't touch it. The flames are very hot. There are always blue flames. On the left you can't see them because of the sunlight. This experiment is okay. I'm gonna drink a cup of coffee and I come back in about 20 minutes. I think then he is gone. But now, after 1 hour and 15 minutes, this experiment is okay for me. 1 hour and 35 minutes, and after that we have hot. It is still hot because we have the ash is glowing. I have to touch this with my... This is very hot. You can see, this is kind of barbecue effect. You can see there's still fire in it, and I can't hold my hand over this. And this is after 2 hours, after 1.5 hours. The flames were gone, and then he was barbecuing. And you can still put a pan on it and make a steak. This is the whole. This was full of pellets. Almost gone. I think this is a little success. I hope you enjoyed it. See you.